Welcome to this session. In this session, we shall solve one more problem. Perhaps this will be the last problem in this chapter. Let me go through the problem. The balance sheet of Star Limited dated 31st December 2020 is as follows. Authorized and paid up capital 8,000 shares of 100 is fully paid at 3 lakh. It's not 3, should be 8. Make it as 8. 8 lakh. Debentures 30 lakh 40 and 40, so 30 lakh 80,000. Sundry creditor, sundry creditors, the creditors again there, income tax 10,000 and trade and general, so there are two items in creditors, 4 lakh 50,000. Land and building and machinery 40 lakh 30,000. Stock in trade 80,000. Debtors 30,000. Investment 17,000. Cash advance 13,000. Profit loss account 10 lakh 70,000. Sufficiently overgone. Total of the given balance sheet 26,000. No, 26 lakh 40,000. Now the other information. Fixed asset including the floating charge in favor of debenture holders are much overvalued. Debenture holders are prepared to accept a modification of their claim in consideration of substantial interest in the share capital. The scheme of arrangement is accordingly approved by the necessary meeting, and in due course confirmed by the court of this scheme. The following are the main terms. Each share shall be subdivided into 20 fully paid shares of 5 each. Each share in the 8,000 into 20, that is number of subdivided shares. Instead of 100 rupees, now it is 5 rupees each. Then after subdivision, each share shall surrender 95% surrender, so that is from surrender account should be debited. As far as record, okay, that is for all adjustment of those 46,000 shares, 5 each shall be converted into participating preference shares, 5 rupees each. Debenture holders total claim shall be reduced to 2 lakh 30. Total claim debenture holders 13 lakh 80,000. So difference for which this is company 46,000 participating preference shares of 5 each upon their claims. Okay. Liability for income tax full payment cash. The claim unsecured creditors rupees 4 lakh 50,000 shall be reduced by 4/5, that much transport capital. Amount of 5 each process are surrendered. They have to give. Shares surrendered and not reissued shall be cancelled. So journalize the transaction of the scheme being carried into effect. Prepare balance sheet showing the effect of scheme. Assuming that liability for income tax has not been discharged and that the amount of assets are unaltered. So liability income tax to be satisfied in full means not paid now. So here it is given, we have to show it as a liability. In the absence of this instruction in the later part of the sentence or problem, must pay it. So now journal entries first, 100 rupee equity share to be converted into 5 rupees. So 20 shares in place of 1 means 5 rupees. So hold 10 rupee equity share capital to 5 rupee equity share capital, amount same 8 lakh. Then 5 rupee equity shares now to be surrendered, to be transferred. That's 95% of 8 lakh, 7 lakh 60,000. Now surrendered, out of that 46,000 to be converted into participating preference shares. 46,000 shares of 5, so it becomes 2 lakh 30,000 for 7 lakh 40. Then interest on debentures 40,000, debenture account 13 lakh 40,000 minus 1, so it is 11 lakh 50,000 must be transferred to capital reduction account. That much profit to the company. Then trade and general creditors 4 lakh 50 to be cancelled. Then surrender shares 1/5 must be given to them, equity share capital account. So 4 lakh 50,000, 1/5 means 4/5 to be transferred to capital reduction. Okay. Capital transfer full amount in the share capital new out of surrender. Then surrender shares balance now 7 lakh 60. Then wherever debited must be deducted. So 3 lakh, 2 lakh 30,000, then 90,000. So now it is 4 lakh 40 to be transferred capital deduction account as profit cancellation. Capital deduction 11 lakh 40,000 on this one debenture. Here 11 lakh 50 plus 4 lakh 50 capital deduction plus 4 lakh 40,000. This one total 20 lakh 40,000. Profit and loss account 10 lakh 7,000 is there, and remaining to be transferred to capital reserve. It is 9 lakh 70,000 each amount. Now balance sheet, share capital, participating preference shares 40,000 shares, 10 is 2 lakh 50,000, 5 rupee equity shares. First reduced 40, now reissue 90. But 1 lakh 30,000 rupees it is. Here you see 40,000 of that. 4 lakh 61, so 60,000, 40,000 remaining in that. Express issue 90,000 going to debenture holders. For sacrificing claims of creditors by creditors. General reserve, capital reserve by now balance transferred. Debentures now ready 2 lakh 30,000. Certificate income tax as it is. Then asset side, land and building machinery for change, stock in trade, debtors same investment 17,000, cash in bank 30,000. These are all remains unchanged. Other thing changes. This is all about the problem. Go through the this, yeah, okay. Thank you.